Imagine creating a video, posting it online that continues to generate leads for your software, for your company, over and over and over and over for months, maybe years. This is what we call in marketing evergreen content. In this video, I'm going to show you examples of such evergreen content and how to create one. Let's get started. Evergreen content is content that's applicable almost universally. It's not tied to any trend, always going to be true for the most part, always within the reason I've just said. If we have paradigm shift in technology, they might no longer apply. Evergreen content created about fax machines would be relevant as long as the fax exists. Number one is the ultimate guide. An ultimate guide that's not directly tied to your software or any particular software, but generally strategy plan that you can do on pen and paper or in any software of similar nature. Ultimate guide would be the how to create evergreen content calendar. Ultimate guide. How to close sales faster. Ultimate guide. How to deplatform viewers to your website. Ultimate guide. Those concepts remain true. It's lengthy video, and what you talk about remains true for a prolonged period of time, maybe months and years. It doesn't change. We have ultimate guide, how to create content with AI. It's evergreen because AI might change, but the guide will be pretty much the same. The tools might change, but the strategy remains the same. Number two, problem solution videos. They're a little bit more educational, but they address one problem and typical solution. We are not talking about specific software solution. We're not talking about specific tool solution. We're talking about big problem and general idea of the solution. For example, I want to reach my potential viewers directly. As a problem, the solution is email marketing. It does not matter which tool you use. It can be MailerLite, could be MailChimp, could be dozen of other programs, software. But the problem is, how do I directly contact my leads? And the solution is email marketing. And there's the bridge by deplatforming users to your email list. Number three, top mistakes content. This is content where you talk about mistakes your customers, clients typically make. You're not offering specific tool, specific solution, even though you could. You are offering general how to solve this problem, how to fix this mistake. Like, for example, my videos don't get any views. The solution would be to have a better copy in your description, SEO optimized, YouTube optimized, better thumbnail, better title. That's a solution. Or my mistake is not having a hook in my video. Number four is tutorial and how-to guides. For example, tutorial how to write an effective marketing email. It's universally applicable to any software, to any tools. It might change within a handful of years because, marketing gets overused. Or another example would be how to write effective landing page. Platforms change. We had Webflow, we had WordPress, we have dozens of ways you can host your web page, your landing page, from ClickFunnels to lead pages. But the copy and the structure and the words and the type of language you use usually does not change. Another one, be bonus. Number five, a bonus is personal stories or just the stories or case studies. This become evergreen because they solve a problem, especially if it's a story of your client, story of your customer. They will always be interesting to other clients to watch because they are coming in with similar problems, similar questions. It's a little bit a blend of top mistakes or top problems, or your customer had a problem, your software solved the problem, and the strategy that they implement to solve the problem lies within that story. And that story will probably be more or less evergreen for upcoming months, maybe a year. Okay, let's sum up. Okay, let's sum this up. Ultimate guides do very well. They last for months, sometimes years. Tutorials and how-to guides. This is a shorter version of ultimate guides because ultimate guides might be way too long, way too broad. Create those type of content every now and then. This should not be your primary content because they're too broad, they're too generic, they have very little to do with your brand, and they don't sell. They just bring attention to your brand, bring attention to you, to what you have to offer. You can pitch, but keep in mind the length of your content might outlive the brand and its offering. For example, if you're pitching specific feature, a specific discount, or some kind of a service, maybe even specific feature of software, you might not have it in the future. So the pitch should always be either to follow you, to subscribe to you, or to kind of build a closer relationship, like getting on your mailing list. And you can always change the links to if that changes. But those evergreen content pieces create awareness and create trust and build relationship with your potential customers. They're not selling pieces. And if you want someone to help you with those, if you want someone to create evergreen content for you, script them, maybe even record them, or maybe even use your recordings to edit professionally, give us a call. Schedule a consultation below. We'll spend 30 minutes on the phone discussing your business. We can take this conversation further. No pressure. We don't sell. We just talk. See you later. Thank you.